Oh boy. And it starts. Oh my god. Ooh! Right there. Oh my god. This is going to be insane. This is going to be an insane thunderstorm. Like, look at those clouds over there. That's crazy. Winds are blowing. Bro, the thunder is literally wait. Yeah. The thunder is literally roaring right now. Seriously, man. It's roaring like a dinosaur. Ooh! Right there. Right there, lightning strike. And another one. Oh my goodness, this is going to be insane. This is going to be the most intense thunderstorm I've ever seen. I'm gonna ever encounter. Oh my god, dude. Seriously, look at the trees, man. They're blowing like crazy. Oh my god, dude. This is gonna be insane. Good thing I kept my phone on the charger. Another one. I kept my phone on the charger all night. Seriously, you could just hear those wind chimes. Oh! Another one. Oh my lord. Bro, this is gonna be so intense. Let me go get my phone. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be extremely... This is gonna be extreme. Yeah. Yeah, you can hear that thunder. You can hear that intense roaring of thunder. Yeah. Oh my god, it's lightning everywhere. Yeah, I'm looking at the weather right now. This is the radar. Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. Intense. Intensifying. Intensity. Don't really know if this is gonna be... Oh my god. The rain is coming down, that's for sure. Oh boy, here comes the wind. Yeah, here comes the wind. Here comes the wind and rain. Yeah, here it comes. Yeah, here it comes. Oh my god. Look at the wind chimes. Wind chimes are blowing like crazy. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness, another one. Oh my god. This is what it looks like, by the way, for the weather channel. Yeah, this is what it looks like, by the way. Oh my god. The wind right now is 11 miles an hour. South-southwest. Oh yeah, now the rain is coming. Now the rain is coming down. Oh my goodness. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, here we go. Oh my god, another lightning strike. Man, look at that. Look at that. Visibility is definitely low. Judging by how that rainfall is. Look at that. It's crazy. Visibility is going down. Visibility is going down. Oh my god, dude. This is going to be intense. Oh my god! Yo! Rain is definitely heavy. Wow, very, very heavy rain right now. Very heavy rain. Oh, man. Wow. Very heavy rain. This is what it's looking like right now. It's raining now. That's what the weather says. Oh my god, dude. This is intense. There's wind. There's wind in there. Winds are blowing east. If I could see these, those clouds right there. Those clouds are really intensifying. Oh my god. Seriously. Just back-to-back thunder. Back-to-back rumbles of thunder. Like, my god. This is intense. Wow. My lord. It's like frequent kind. Oh my goodness. Wow, did you see that? Man, right in front of me. And the rain is coming down again. This is gonna be intense. Oh my goodness, wow. Here comes the rain again. I'm catching all the lightning strikes today. Yeah. Yeah, I'm catching all the lightning strikes today. Oh my goodness. Just back-to-back lightning strikes. Back-to-back. Or I should just say constant lightning strikes. Oh my god. Just constant lightning strikes over and over. Back-to-back. Here comes the wind. Here comes the wind. Yeah, here comes the wind. Now the winds are blowing. Here comes the winds. Yeah, hear the winds. Hear the winds. Hear the winds. Oh my god, did you see that? Yeah, hear the winds. Here comes the winds. Hear the winds. Oh man. This is intense, man. Oh, did you see that? Yo, right in front of my eyes. Oh my goodness. Just back-to-back lightning. Just back-to-back lightning strikes. Back-to-back. It's back-to-back. Back-to-back lightning. It's crazy. It's intense. Oh my lord. Oh, next lightning strike be? Oh man. This is so intense right now. Never seen anything like it before. Oh my god. It's either coming from over there or over there. Last lightning strike I saw was over there. Whoa! Yo! Did you see that? That was so bright. I definitely caught that. Most certainly. Most certainly caught that. Oh my god, did you guys see that? Oh yeah. Yeah, listen to that thunder. Listen to the thunder, man. Listen to that thunder, man. That's crazy. Man, this lightning is just so intense right now. Here comes the wind chimes again. Wind chimes. The wind seems to. Oh, look at that! Oh my god. This is so intense. This is... Yeah, you could see quite the excitement. It's intense. Bro, winds. Bro. Look at this. Look at this. Winds just went up to 20. Bro, the winds literally went up. It literally went from 11 to 20. What the heck? Yo, the winds literally just... Oh god, my camera's out of focus. Bro, the winds literally just went up to 20 miles an hour. No joke. Like, you saw it. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh my goodness, dude, this is intense. Yeah, now, here comes the winds again. Winds are definitely picking up. Ugh, god. Got something in my eye. Isn't that lightning strike gonna be right here? Seriously, man, the thunder is just super loud and roaring intense. It's like a dinosaur roaring. My lord. Oh! Right there! Yo! My lord. But yeah, guys, look at the wind. Winds literally just went up to 20 miles an hour. That's... I don't know. That's... Oh my god. I just can't get a hold of the thunder, man. It's intense. Now the conditions say it's thunderstorms for Albany. Let me just wait for another lightning strike and now I'll show you guys. Oh my god, man. This is intense. This is literally the most intense thunderstorm I've ever went through. Like, I can't believe my eyes. This is absolutely insane. Just listen to the wind chime. Yeah, look at this. Thunderstorm, 20 miles an hour. Look at that. Crazy. Crazy. Making sure my camera's not out of focus. Oh my lord. This is absolute. Whoa! Yo, that thunder though. That was intense. That was super loud. That's the next lightning strike on that counter. Seriously, the lightning is just super intense and constant. Just constantly showing up. It's just constant lightning and thunder. Loud thunder. Oh my lord. Seriously, this is so intense right now. Never seen anything like it. Ooh. Definitely saw something on my camera. Yeah, here comes the winds. Winds are picking up again. Winds are picking up again. My god. I can't wait to upload this video. Cannot wait to upload this video to YouTube. Seriously, you guys are literally going to be super, I don't know. The same way as I feel. I don't know how I feel. I feel pretty... Like, seriously, man. That was it. That was the excitement, man. I think the thunderstorm is over, but I just don't know. Like, I don't know if it's gonna all of a sudden pick up again. I mean, you guys saw. That was definitely the excitement. Seriously, that was crazy. Ooh! Lightning right over there. Seriously, man, that was definitely the excitement. Visibility has gone down to 5. Oh my lord. Ooh, saw a flash right there. There's a lightning strike over there. Oh my lord. Seriously, man, the lightning just won't stop. Just will not stop. Over there. Got something in my eye again. My goodness, with 20 miles an hour. 20 miles per hour winds. Seriously, just out of nowhere. Just jumped up to 20. With the winds and stuff. I honestly don't even know if this is the end of the storm. I mean, like, I'm looking at the weather right now and the meter won't go away. I don't know if the rain will pick back up. We're supposed to get more storms tonight, too. Got a 60, 70, and a 40% chance of thunderstorms tonight as well. And I'm pretty sure the storms that will be hitting us tonight are the real storms. Because this storm was just kind of quick. Had a lot of lightning and a little bit of wind during it. And in multiple rounds of heavy rainfall. And now all that's left is just lightning. That's all there is. But I'm pretty sure it's moving out over there. Pretty sure. Oh my goodness, dude. Yo, I got distracted by something and then a lightning flash came and I don't know if I caught it. Some sort of bug distracted me. Oh my lord. Here comes the winds again. They're picking up. Winds are once again picking up. Looking at it. But seriously, man, that was definitely the excitement of this quick thunderstorm that hit us. My goodness, this thunder is insane. But I honestly think that's the end of this first storm. Just gonna say that right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and stop the recording and watch the rest of it.